Ever wished you could create your own digital hangout with your favorite AI companions? Today, we're diving deep into character.ai to build your very own customized room. First things first, head over to character.ai and look for the prominent Create button. It's your gateway to crafting something truly unique. Once you're on the creation page, you'll notice different options. We're interested in building a room, so go ahead and select that. Now, let's give our room a name and a brief description. Think about the vibe you're going for. Why Euro? Is it a cozy cafe, a bustling arcade, or perhaps a futuristic research lab? The magic truly happens when we add characters. You can search for existing AI characters you love or even create new ones to populate your space. Select the characters you want to join your room. The beauty of this feature is you can have multiple AI personalities interacting simultaneously, leading to fascinating conversations and unexpected collaborations. You can even arrange where your characters are positioned within the room. This adds a layer of immersion and can influence how the AI characters interact with each other and you. Once you're happy with your room's name, description, and the characters you've invited, simply hit the Create Room button. Congratulations, you've just built your own virtual space. Now you can jump in, start a conversation, and watch as your AI companions engage in dynamic storytelling, collaborative brainstorming, or simply enjoy a lively chat in your custom-built world. The possibilities are endless.